When the Beirut explosion happened, I reached out to our corporate citizenship team and just asked the question, is there anything we can do to help the Beirut explosion victims?
At Citrix, the value of social responsibility is embedded in our DNA. The day after the explosion, it was amazing to see the amount of willingness from Citrix, my team and colleagues, ready to support by all means and at any cost the impact people in Beirut, Lebanon. That moment, it was one of the most proudest moments to be a Citrix employee.
Citrix's generous contribution has actually gone to the treatment and transport of over 2,000 wounded after the explosion, as well as the evacuation of the damaged hospitals and the distribution of food packs, hygiene kits, and basic needs to those displaced.
One of the most unique things about Citrix's culture is the commitment from both the company and employees alike to better the communities we live and work in. We've seen this so many times where Citrites have come together with the community at large to make a real impact on the world that we live in.
I feel very proud to be a Citrite.